Hello and welcome, Victor here from Volkswagen Crewe, today presenting this Volkswagen Golf 2.0 TDI R-Line, finished in black and powered by a 2-liter diesel engine producing 150 PS. Paired with a sleek manual transmission, this Golf delivers confident and refined performance with excellent efficiency. The front end features sharp LED self-leveling headlights with daytime running lights, a sculpted R-Line bumper and unmistakable R-Line grille design. The 17-inch Valencia alloys deliver a great blend of agility and ride comfort, and at the rear the Golf features LED rear lights, the R-Line diffuser, a sleek roof spoiler and clean bumper design. The Golf provides a wide practical boot with height adjustable floor, ideal for shopping, luggage or winter gear, and a 60/40 split folding rear seats and a load-through provision offer flexibility for longer items. Rear passengers benefit from generous room, ISOFIX points, LED lighting and a central armrest with cup holders. The tinted rear windows add comfort and privacy, while high-quality materials create a calm, refined atmosphere. Up front, the R-Line sport seats offer excellent support with height and lumbar adjustment for comfortable driving position. You also get soft touch materials, carbon effect decorative inserts and ambient lighting. The heated multifunction steering wheel feels premium and provides intuitive access to media, driver assistance and navigation functions. And I have reviewed the digital Cockpit Pro displays crisp dials, trip information and navigation prompts. On offer in this vehicle is electronic climate control, an infotainment system with high quality audio with DEP and seamless media control, as well as Bluetooth, app connect, wireless charging and smart device integration. You also get Discover navigation system with clear mapping and responsive inputs, and vehicle menu with access to driver data, Car2X safety details and system information. There are also settings for the interior and exterior to personalize lights, mirrors, locking displays and more, and background themes to customize interior ambience and driver display appearance. The driver will additionally benefit from the feedback from the front and rear parking sensors. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Golf 2.0 TDI R-Line. For more information, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.